Okay, we're out here working on the seats again now. So we're trying to make the foreign model 6040 bench fit in the US model. I got the seats shampooed. They're looking nice. I see there's a couple stains on them. I'm gonna have to try and spot clean those. I got these taped up because on the other side I just scratched this all up, and I even scratched this side up again. So it's annoying. Pretty hard with these brackets on here, trying to get it in there. Got these all painted, sandblasted, painted, ready to go, greased up. We have sliders on both sides now. I had it mounted so that these were just fixed on this side, on the 60 side, but it was just way too far forward. Super excited to get this on here. So here's a strategy for putting the seats on. These fit, okay, this bolt here and this bolt here, but then in the middle here's your stock hole, and then here's your stock hole here, underneath this tape. So what we're gonna have to do is bore a hole just like this. This is the fitment of the seat, right? It wraps around this bar, okay? This raised portion of the tub is going to have a hole bored into it right here. So I just traced it all out. I got this on this side and traced this hole out. So that's the hole in the seat bracket. So I'm going to just be boring my I don't know what it is, 5/8 hole right there. And the back, here's my mark right here for the back. And so also what we're gonna have to do is bore another hole in the back of this portion here, because we're not going to be able to tighten the nut. There's just going to be a hole, right? So we're probably going to make this hole big enough so that we can get our ratchet in through this to fix this nut, or get a nylock on there or something. I'm not really sure, but I can't. It's too crooked here. It's at an angle, so I can't just fix the bolt here. So we're gonna work with that. So there we go. We got this one in. Super excited. You like it, Jordan? Yeah. Like I said, I dig the felt. The original vinyl is pretty sticky. It does look sharp, but I'm stoked. So that's where we're at. And the measurement on these holes, if you guys are interested, it was just under 24 inches, so it's like 23 and 7/8. So the bolts that come with the stock FJ40 are these number 6s. Dad had these labeled as seats, and they do in fact fit in perfectly into these seat studs. And this is a tapered bolt. As I noticed after I bored this hole for this 6040 bench, is that the bolt would get caught, so I had to keep widening it. So another thing is that when you're drilling these holes into fresh paint, you want to put a couple layers of tape on there so it doesn't chip the paint. Something the body shop had taught me. Pretty fun drilling holes in a fresh body, but just got to do it. Then the other thing is this one here is when you drill the hole in the back one, you're gonna have this, I don't know if this shows up on the camera, but you have this cross support from underneath the body there that you have to drill through that as well. So it's 2 holes. And on this one, we just decided we're just going to through bolt instead of trying to drill a bigger hole and get a nut back here. That's just too hard. So the crooked, slanted spot's going to be fine. You have 3 anchor holes that are perfect, and this one will be too. And then your seat belt to anchor in your passenger